I'm about to unveil how to join the big leagues with a faceless channel such as this one that's already rocking over 3 million subscribers with over 340 million views, all in the motivation niche, which is a goldmine on YouTube. Channels such as these generate over 100 grand a year in passive income, and even more if they promote products and affiliate links. You're in luck because I'm going to teach you how you can also achieve this success. Here's a quick rundown of what you'll be accomplishing in this video. Learn your way around CapCut Online, which will be our main character for this video. Tweak your AI-generated video by replacing and fine-tuning its parts. Create your YouTube channel and start uploading your new videos with catchy thumbnails. First, let's talk numbers. These motivational videos can earn between $2.50 to $7 per thousand views, but let's keep it chill and say it's $5. So for this channel, they've been at it for 8 years with 340 million views under its belt. So let's do the math real quick. Divide those views by 1,000, multiply by 5, and divide by 8. That's over 200K per year just from ads. And if they're promoting products related to motivation and success, about 5% of their viewers end up buying from their link. But why just watch them make bank? Why not you? It's time to turn that "why not me" into "watch me do this." This is where I step in. I'm going to show you how to kickstart your own faceless YouTube channel without dropping a dime on cameras or mics. Enter CapCut Online, arguably the best free online video editing tool tailored for YouTubers. It's packed with all the features you need to create perfect YouTube videos, and the best part? It's totally free. Now, if you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just like these faceless YouTube channels, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where my viewers are from, which will help me tailor all my future videos for all of my subscribers. CapCut Online is the only AI tool that's incredibly user-friendly, AI-powered, watermark-free, and fully equipped with all the video editing features you need. Check out the link in the description to sign up for free. First things first, I'll walk you through how to create a similar video using CapCut Online. Start by hitting up Script to Video, a free tool powered by ChatGPT. Just type "to kickstart the prompt" box and type in a solid prompt. For me, I put "create a script for a video aimed at inspiring and guiding viewers on their weight loss journey. Cover the basics of nutrition, exercise, mindset, and overcoming challenges. Encourage viewers to set realistic goals, make healthier choices, and cultivate a positive mindset. Provide practical tips and strategies for incorporating healthy habits into their daily lives. Conclude with a motivating call to action, encouraging viewers to take the first step towards achieving their weight loss goals." You'll get 5 script options to choose from. Pick the one that vibes with you, then hit Generate Video. Once it's done, the tool will whip up a complete video based on your script. Take a peek at the result. Not bad, but it could use a little fine-tuning. Just hit Edit Video and you'll hop into the CapCut Online Video Editor. This step's where the real magic happens. It's a bit more hands-on, so stay sharp. You're about to dive into using this powerful editor for editing your YouTube video, step by step. Alright, before diving into the editing, let's take a moment to explore CapCut's interface. Normally, we'd have to create a script and voiceover before getting into the editing, but CapCut's AI script-to-video feature has simplified our workflow. So, let's jump back into the editing window and get started. Here's our timeline, where all the magic happens. See how it's organized into layers? We've got one for captions, another for media like videos and images, and then 2 for audio. One for voiceovers and the other for background music. Plus, check out the zoom feature. You can zoom in and out on both the preview screen and the timeline, which really helps make editing a breeze. Let's move on to the second step by removing the music track to avoid any copyright headaches. But hey, we've got a ton of stock material at our disposal, so feel free to use any of it. Now, let's focus on making the first 5 to 10 seconds of our video really stand out. Head over to the stock videos section, search for what you need, and pick the perfect clip. Then, simply drag and drop it over the existing footage to swap it out. Next, let's trim out those first few words from the voiceover that sound a bit too generic. Oh, and I'm also gonna spice up this scene by adding a few more clips to match up with our voiceover content. And don't forget, you can tweak the length of any element on the timeline just like this. Now I'll repeat these steps for the rest of our video to keep things flowing smoothly. Hey, quick heads up, not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. For our third step, let's jazz up our visuals. Just double-click on any videos or photos and a widget pops up on the right side, giving you control over pretty much everything. I get it, it might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Start by adding your animation, then split the captions into smaller, more manageable chunks. Like this. Now why don't we give our captions a makeover? Pick your favorite font, choose a color, and tweak some of the basic settings. I'm also going to add a stroke effect to really make them pop. Now take a look at that, our auto captions just got a major upgrade. Next, let's shake things up with some dynamic transitions. Head over to the Transitions tab, find one that catches your eye, and simply click and drag it between clips to add it. Mixing in a few different transitions can really elevate the whole vibe. CapCut Online also offers some fantastic effects that can really elevate our video. Find an effect that fits the vibe you're going for, then simply drag and drop it onto the timeline, stretching it to cover the entire clip for a consistent look. I'll sprinkle in a few more effects here and there to spice things up even more. Alright, let's switch gears to the Filters tab. While this video might not necessarily need filters, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to apply this cool filter. Oh, and don't forget about the Elements tab. It's packed with stickers and GIFs that can add a fun twist to your videos. In step 4, I'll show you something I love doing in my own videos. If you're not feeling a particular image, no worries. Just head back to the dashboard and click on Create New Image. From there, navigate to the Photo section. CapCut Online offers an AI image generator here, which is pretty cool. Just click on it, enter a prompt like you would with any tool, and hit Generate. You'll find it's up there with many of the paid AI art generators in terms of quality. Then, let's head back to the editor window and upload the new image. Much better, right? Now, let's spice up our video with some sound effects. Head over to the audio section and click on Sound Effects in the top menu. This feature is awesome because it saves you the trouble of scouring the internet for sound effects. I'm going to choose this popular transition sound effect and place it right where the transition occurs. Repeat this for each transition. Once everything's good to go, it's time to wrap things up. Just click on Export, then Download. Make sure your resolution is set to 1080p. Give your video a catchy title, and hit Export again. And there you have it, the final product. Before we get into the last step, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes, and if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. Alright, let's dive into the final step, uploading your video to YouTube. If you don't have a channel that fits your video's niche yet, make sure to create a new channel and spruce it up with a catchy channel name. Then maybe toss in some AI-generated pictures for your channel picture and header. Perfect. For your video, a captivating thumbnail is key. And lucky for us, CapCut Online has a bunch of awesome thumbnail templates to choose from. Just head back to the dashboard, click on Create New Image, choose YouTube, then select Thumbnail. You'll find a bunch of high-quality options to pick from, edit, and use. I found one that'll work, just click to add it to the canvas. Now, let's customize the text to relate to our video. And hey, we need an image that represents weight loss, right? So, I'll click on Photos and search for something related. Ah, this one looks perfect. Let's go with it. Now, let's search for the background remover on the right side widget and turn it on. Perfect. I'll flip the image and the thumbnail is ready to download. By harnessing the power of CapCut Online, we've learned to craft compelling videos from scratch, fine-tuning them to perfection with its user-friendly interface and AI-powered features. From creating captivating thumbnails to mastering transitions and effects, we've covered it all. With CapCut Online, anyone can kickstart their own YouTube journey without the need for expensive equipment. So, why watch others succeed when you can join them? It's time to seize the opportunity and make your mark on the platform. The link is in the description below. If you're interested in more ways to earn money online by leveraging AI to make passive income, check out my playlist full of my videos with tutorials on using AI to earn money through all sorts of ways. You can also check out the playlist link down below. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy earning!